Welcome back on Knowledge Test. Are you well aware of human body? Then test your knowledge with 30 questions on human body. But be sure to answer in 10 seconds only. Let's go. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body? Is it heart, kidney, or liver? Yes, correct, it's heart. What is the largest organ in the human body? Is it liver, skin, or lung? Answer before time run out. Yes, it is skin. Then tell what is the largest internal organ in the human body? It's liver. Which organ is capable of regenerating itself? Is it stomach, heart, or liver? Yes, you are correct, it's liver. Do you know what are the building blocks of the human body? Are they cells, tissues, or organs? Yes, building blocks are cells. Answer, how many pairs of ribs do humans have? Answer fast. There are 12 pairs. Now answer, how many bones are there in adult human body? 206 bones. Do you know what is the name of the smallest bone in the human body? Is it tibia, stapes, or radius? Correct, its name is stapes. Then tell, where is that smallest bone in the body located? Comment your answer. Yes, it is located in ears. Which is the longest bone in the human body? Is it femur, tibia, or humerus? It is femur. What do you think? How many number of senses do humans traditionally have? Five senses. Now tell, how many types of muscles are there in human body? There are 3 types of muscles. What do you think, which is the strongest muscle in the human body based on its weight? It is jaw muscle. Tell which muscle works continuously without any rest. Is it biceps muscle, thigh muscle, or heart muscle? You are correct, it is heart muscle. What is the name of the pigment that gives skin and hair its color? It is melanin. Then tell which part of the eye gives it its color. Options are iris, retina, and cornea. Iris. Do you know which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering in the eyes? Very good, it is iris. Comment approximately how many teeth does a healthy adult have? Hurry up. 32. What is the protective outer layer of a tooth called? Is it called dentin, enamel, or pulp? It's called enamel. Answer, how many parts are there in the human brain? Yes, there are 3 parts. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Is it controlled by cerebrum, cerebellum, or medulla? Yes, it is controlled by cerebellum. What do you think is the primary function of white blood cells? Think fast. Correct, it fights infection. Then tell what is the main function of red blood cells. Transport oxygen. Answer, what gives red blood cells its color? Is it given by protein, plasma, or hemoglobin? Correct, its color is given by hemoglobin. Do you know what is the name of the food pipe? Its name is trachea, ureter, or esophagus. Esophagus. Then what is the name of the windpipe? Is it called esophagus, trachea, or bronchus? Its name is trachea. Can you tell which endocrine gland is often called as master gland? Think harder. Very good, it's pituitary gland. Which type of vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D. Answer, which blood type is known as the universal donor? Yes, O negative is universal donor. Now tell which organ in the human body uses the most oxygen? Comment your score. It is brain. At last, subscribe the channel to keep testing your knowledge with amazing quizzes.